It's the 6th episode for grade 5 students, and it's recited by Mr. Ibrahim Amir. So are you ready to learn something new? Well, kick back, pay attention, watch and listen carefully. First, get your student book and go to page 82, which is unit 12. How many calories is that? And access, go for English platform, go to unit 12 and choose page 4. Today we are gonna start lesson 2, which is grammar for fun. So, what are the objectives of this lesson? First, to recognize how to use the preposition by. To recognize how to use the preposition by. Second, to form sentences using the preposition by. To form sentences using the preposition by. Now read the following examples and try to catch the grammar rule. Number 1. We win at football by scoring the most goals. We win at football by scoring the most goals. Second, we can get high marks by studying hard. We can get high marks by studying hard. Third, by eating oranges, we will be able to have vitamin C. By eating oranges, we will be able to have vitamin C. So your expectations are right. So you can clap for yourselves. The lesson today is about the preposition by. So how do we use by? After by, we use base verb plus ing. After by, we use base verb plus ing. What does it mean? It means how to do something. We use by to refer to how to do something. Number 1, we win at football by scoring the most goals. So after by, we use the verb plus ing. So by scoring, so not only score, we use score plus ing. So I'm gonna ask you, how do we win at football? By scoring the most goals. It's the answer. So second, we can get high marks by studying hard. We can get high marks by studying hard. So we are using by and then study plus ing to become studying. So I'm gonna ask you, how can you get high marks? By studying hard. It's the answer. Third, by eating oranges, we will be able to have vitamin C. So once I ask you, how will you be able to have vitamin C? You will answer me by saying by eating oranges. So after by, we are using eat plus ing, not only eat. So I never say by eat, it's wrong. I say by eating. So I think that the lesson today is so easy, right? So why don't we practice to see if you understand everything or you still have some problems in learning the lesson. So exercise A, fill in the gaps using the words in the table. We have a table, and inside the table we have 6 words. We have wash, wash, listen, listen, read, read, sleep, sleep, eat, eat, stay, stay. So I think that these 6 words are easy for you and you know the meanings of them. Number 1, we can have antioxidants by what green foods? We can have antioxidants by what green foods? 2, we protect ourselves from viruses by what our hands? We protect ourselves from viruses by what our hands? 3, we can get up early by what early? we can get up early by what early? 4. We spend our free time by what books? We spend our free time by what books? Number 5. We stop catching coronavirus by what at home? We stop catching coronavirus by what at home? Number 6. By what two teachers we will be able to learn? By what two teachers we will be able to learn? I think that you could get all the answers right, but don't forget that you have by and then you have the gap, and you had the grammar rule, which is by plus base verb plus ing. So number 1, we can have antioxidants by, yup, that's it, by eating green foods. So you are gonna choose eat and then you are gonna add ing. It's wrong to say by eat because we had by plus verb plus ing, and that's why you are gonna say by eating. 2. We protect ourselves from viruses by what? Our hands. By washing our hands. Yup, that's it. Number 3. We can get up early by what early? By sleeping early. That's it. Someone said the answer. Sleeping. So by sleeping, not by sleep. No, by sleeping. Number 4. We spend our free time by what books? We spend our free time by, yes, it's the answer, by reading books. Thank you. Number 5. We stop catching coronavirus by what at home? We stop catching coronavirus by staying at home. You know, this is a common message that you must stay at home to stop catching coronavirus. Number 6. By what two teachers we will be able to learn? By listening to teachers we will be able to learn. So listen plus verb plus ing. Thank you all. Exercise B is very exciting for you because you are gonna look at the picture and then you are gonna form a sentence using by. So once I show you the picture, so you are gonna look at it and then you try to describe it using by, but relating to the picture, by the way. So the answers are open. I mean that the answer that you are gonna tell me is acceptable. So what do you think about this picture? Yes, someone said that we win at basketball by scoring the most points. Someone said we win at basketball by scoring the most points, not goals for sure. Okay, the second picture, I think that you could get the answer. So we can or we turn on the television by pressing the red button. We turn on the television by pressing the red button. The third picture, yes, I think it's easy. We get into the class by knocking on the door. That's it. Thank you. We get into the class by knocking on the door. Number 4. So these are students or people who work together. So what do you think about this picture? Yes, that's it. Someone said that we can learn better by working in groups. We can learn better by working in groups. Thank you. The last one, I think it's the easiest. Yup, that's it. So someone said we can eat spaghetti by using a fork. Someone said we can eat spaghetti by using a fork. Thank you. So now it's time to answer the workbook. So please go to unit 12, how many calories is that, and then go to page number 4. So exercise 1, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words in brackets. It means that the word between the brackets is not right, so correct this word. So letter A, by read the magazine you can get useful information. So you can remember that after by we use the verb plus ing. So once you use read is not right, so you are gonna say by reading. That's it. So I think that you know it. By reading the magazine you can get useful information. Letter B, you can save money by what items on sale? You can save money by what items on sale? So you have the verb buy, so buy is not right, so you are gonna say buying. That's it. Some students cross Y once they add ing, so this is not right because we never cross out Y if you want to add ing. Letter C, I'll finish my speech by what when the questions should be? So I'll finish my speech by suggesting. Yup, suggesting. Letter D, therefore scientists can predict them by what? Their patterns. It's not study, so it's gonna be studying. Letter E, busy people can save time by what? They're shopping at the shopping center. Busy people can save time by doing their shopping at the shopping center. Majid acquired a law degree by take classes at night. Majid acquired a law degree by classes at night by taking. But don't forget, if you want to add ing to a verb that ends in e, you cannot. So what will you do? You'll cross out e first and then you add ing. And I think that you had this with me before. So take, it's gonna be taking. So look, no more e, and then we are gonna add ing. G, I helped Abdullah by give him some money. I helped Abdullah by give him some money. So it's the same. So we're gonna say giving and give ends in e. So what will you do? You'll cross out e and put ing. The last one here, I can get a lot of information by use the internet. So can I say by use? No, we must say by using. But don't forget that use ends in e, and that's why we are gonna add ing. So no more e. Now exercise 2 is choose the words and fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words, which means that you have 6 verbs in the table and then you have 6 gaps. So you are gonna choose each verb and put it in the correct place. So what are the verbs? We have finish, it's easy. Answer, it's easy. Exercise, you know it. Study, you know it as well. Read and use. I think that no hard verb here. So letter A, by what hard you can get high grades? By what hard you can get high grades? So I think that we had a lot of examples like this one before. So I heard someone said the answer, so you are gonna say by studying. So by studying hard you can get high grades. Letter B, by what the work on time I can get more free time? By what the work on time I can get more free time? By, yup, that's it, by finishing. Letter C, by what regularly you can lose weight? By what regularly you can lose weight? So by what? By exercising. So don't forget that exercise ends in e, so no more e, and then we are gonna add ing. Letter D, by what a lot of books you can improve your writing skills? By what a lot of books you can improve your writing skills? So by what? By reading books. That's it. Letter E, by what my smartphone I can do a lot of things without a computer? By what my smartphone I can do a lot of things without a computer? So the answer is gonna be what? By using. And don't forget that use ends in e, so we'll cross it out first and then we are gonna add ing. Letter F, by what the question you can get bonus points? By what the question you can get bonus points? By answering. That's it, answering. So let's check our answers. Yup, they are 100% correct. Thank you.